Hi children, good morning. Welcome back to Maths class. Dear children, this is second semester, first chapter first, multiplication. Okay, what is the meaning of multiplication? Multiplication is one of the basic mathematical operations. This is the one of the basic mathematical operation. Means multiplication means what is the meaning? This is the repeated addition. Multiplication is the repeated addition. And the number to be multiplied. In the multiplication, there are the three main points. One is multiplicand, multiplier and product. Then what is the meaning of this multiplicand? The number to be multiplied. Which number is going to multiply? That number we are calling as a multiplicand. And the number which multiplies the given number. Which number is multiplies the given number is called multiplier. Then the result of multiplication is what? Multiplicand into, see, into multiplicand into multiplier is equal to product. Okay, next one. What are the properties of multiplication? Dear children, there are three properties are there. First one, the product of any number and 0 is always 0. All of you know this is the basic thing of multiplication. Any number into 0 is 0. Here they given the example 12 into 0 is 0. 8 into 0 is 0. Any number you can take. 4 into 0 is 0. 6 into 0 is 0. Like that. This is the first properties of multiplication. What is that? The product of any number and 0 is always 0. Next one. The product of any number and 1 is always the number itself. Means 9 into 1. 9 into 1 is 9. 6 into 1 is 6. 2 into 1 is 2. 4 into 1 is 1. Okay. The third one is the product remains the same when the interchange multiplicand and multiplier. See children, the product is same when the interchange of multiplicand and multiplier. This is the multiplicand and this is the multiplier. This interchange, you see here 4 7 is there, here 7 4 ja. This interchange multiplication is always same product. That is 4 7 is 28, 7 4 is 28. Dear children, these are the main points of multiplication. Now, the first one is revision exercise. Okay. First way, find the product of the following. See, 35 into 0. The first property what it tells us, the product of any number is 0. It is always 0. 35 into 0 means what is that? The answer is the product is 0. 164 into 1. What it will tell us? The second property, the product of any number and is 1. It is always number itself. Means this number will come. 164 into 1 means that answer is 164. 100 into 0 is 0. 1 into 235 is 235. 0 into any number. 0 into 1001 means 0. 1 into 55 is 55. Yes, this first one is depend on these properties of multiplication. Second one, find the product of the following. In the lower class already you studied how to do. This is first one is multiplicand and multiplier. Okay. Yes, this is 2 digits means I will do like this for 45 into 16. Okay, what we'll do? 45 into 16. Yes. Like this. All of you know the table. 6 5s are. Okay. 6 5s is how much? 30. 6 5s is how much, dear children? 30. 6 4s are how much? 24. 24, 25, 26, 27, 270. Always we should give the last digit. Don't last digit. We can keep the here plus. Otherwise, here there is a 2 methods. We can keep plus. It will also come. Otherwise, 0. Okay. 0 means for you it is confusing. That's why I'm keeping here plus. Okay. 0 also coming. plus also coming. Okay, 1 5s are, then you should take 1. 1 5s are 5, 1 4s are 4. Addition sign is there, means 0. 7 plus 5 is 7 plus 5 is how much? 12. Adjustment, I'm making adjustment. Wait. 12. Carry 1. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Yes, our answer is 720. Yes, right here. That answer is how much? 720. Second one. 63 into 31. Okay. 1 3 is a 3. 1 6 is a 6. Last number digit we can keep here is plus, otherwise 0. 3 3 is a 9. 3 6 is a 18. Okay, 3 plus means 3 only. 6 plus 9 is how much? 15. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then our answer is how much? 1953. Yes, right here the answer is 1953. Next, third one. 162 into 17. Okay. 7 2s are how much? 14. 7 6 are how much? 42. 42 plus 1 is 43. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. Okay. Next one. Plus. According to the rules, we can keep here plus. 1 2s are 2. 1 6s are 6. 1 1s are 1. 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 plus 1 is 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. The answer is how much? 2754. Okay. Next one. 18 into 42. 2 8s are 16. Okay. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. Give here carry. 4 1s are 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, 7. 756. Our answer is how much? 756. Next, 83 into 17. Okay, 7 3s are how much? 21. 7 8s are 56, 57, 58. Plus 1 3s are 3, 1 8s are 8. 1, 8 plus 3 is 11. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. The answer is 1411. Okay, the next one. See, all of you know the multiplication. That's why I'm doing. It is not fast, okay? Because so many examples are there. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, plus 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. 6, 8 plus 6 is 14. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 4 plus 1 is 5. The answer is how much? 5346. Okay. Now second one. Second one is over. Third one. Solve the following problems. Dear children, the second one, third one is what? Word problems. Cost of one notebook is 16 rupees. Cost of one notebook is how much? 16. Then what is the cost of 12 notebook? What can we do? Okay, now 16 into 12 we should know the total amount. Yes, cost of the total notebooks. Write down here. First you write down cost of one notebook. Okay, when they given one notebook, how much they given? Tell me how much they given, children? Yes, 16 rupees. Okay. Next you write cost of 12 notebook. Okay. 12 notebook. We don't know this one. Okay. 16 into 12. What is that answer? Here. 16 into 12. 12 if the directly we can make, but don't want. Sometimes a few children are not knowing the 12th table. This is necessary. First to 5th standard students means up to 20. You can by heart and keep the tables. 2 6 are 12. Very easy method I am saying you. 2 6 are 12. 2 1s are 2. 1 plus 1 3. 32. 1 6 are 6. 1 1s are 1. 2 9 1. The answer is how much? Rupees 192. Therefore, right here, therefore, the cost of 12 notebooks. How much? How much is there? Rupees 192. Okay, next second one. The school fee of a student is 38. The school fee of the student is how much? 38 rupees. And what is the total fee of 128 students? Okay, write down here the school fee. The school fee of one student. Now, one student. How much is there? Rupees 38. Okay. Now, school fee of 128 students. What can I do? Huh? 38 into 128. Okay, that answer you will write here. Yes, now multiply 128 into 38. Okay, 8 8s are 16. 8 2s are 8. Sorry, 8 8s are 64. Okay, 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 6 is how much? How much? Tell me. 22. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay. 3 8s are how much? 3 8s are 24. Carry 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. 3 1s are 3. Yes, 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. Yes, our answer is how much? Rupees 4,864. Therefore, right here, school fee of 128 students is equal to how much, dear students? 4,864. Okay. Next one, third one. See here. 63 students went on one day excursion with their class teacher. The class teacher collected 150 rupees from each student towards the travel and lunch expense. What is the total amount collected? See, per student how much they collected? 63. Okay. Sorry, 150. But the number of students is how much? 63 students. Per students they collected 150 rupees. Okay. Now, amount collected from one student right here. Amount collected from one student. How much is there? Yes, rupee 150. Then amount collected from 63 students. How much is there? How much? 150 into 163. Okay. Then right here. Now you do calculation. Here you do 150 into 160. Sorry, 150 into 63. Only 63 it is, not 163. 63. 3 zeros are 0. 3 5s are 15. Carry 1. 3 1s are 3 1 plus 4. Plus 6 zeros are 0. 6 5s are 30. Carry 3. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 0 5 4 9. How much is? Yes. Therefore, amount right here. Therefore, amount collected from 63 students. How much is there? Rupees 9,450 rupees. Rupees 9,450 rupees. Okay. Yes. Next, fourth one, PH. The cost of a bag containing 10 kg rice is 285 rupees. Find the cost of 25 bags. See children, 10 kg bags containing 285 rupees rice and 25 bags of rice is containing how much money they ask. Okay. Yes, write down. Cost of one bag of rice. Cost of one bag of rice. One bag of rice is how much? 10 kgs bag it is how much? 285. Then what we will calculate now? Cost of 25 bags now. 25 bags of rice is how much? 285 into 25 is equal to how much? Yes. Now you do here 285 into 25. Okay. Yes. 5 5s are how much? 25. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. Carry 4. Okay. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Here last digit we can put down plus sign. Otherwise 0 sign. 2 5s are 10. Carry 1. 2 8s are 16 plus 1. 17. Carry 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1. 5. Okay. 5, 2, 7 plus 4 is 11, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Yes, the answer is how much? Rupees 7,125. Okay. Yes, therefore you write down here, therefore the cost of 25 bags of rice is equal to how much, dear children? 7,125. Next one. The headmaster decided to give first and second prize for various competitions. 16 students got first prize and 16 students got second prize. If the cost of first and second prize is 11 and 9, means the cost of first prize is how much? 11 rupees. The cost of second prize is how much? 9 rupees respectively. Find the total amount required by headmisters to buy the prizes. See children. What is that question? The headmaster decided to give the first and second prize for the students. The rate of first prize is how much? 11 rupees and second prize is how much? 9 rupees. Then what we should find a total amount required by the headmisters to buy the prizes. Okay, this is our question. Now you write down the cost of first prize. Cost of first prize. How much is there? Rupees 11. Same thing you write. Cost of second prize. How much is there? Yes. Yes. What we can do now? Now we'll find out the cost of first prize. How many students will take? 16 members. Right here. Cost of 16 first prize. 16 first prize. How much? How much is there? 11 into 16. Why means 11 rupees. How many students they want to distribute? 16 students. 11 into 16. How much? 176 rupees. Here you make it. 16 1 ja 16. Carry 1. 16 1 ja 16 plus 1 is 176. Okay. Next. Cost of 16 second prize. Cost of 16 second prize is how much? 9 into second prize is how much is there? 9 into 16. 69 is how much? Tell me. 144 rupees. Then amount of 16 first prize and amount of second prizes will add. Therefore, right here, therefore, amount of 16 first prize is equal to how much? Rupees 176. And Amount of 16 second prize is how much? Rupees 144. Okay, now add this to total they asked now. Therefore, total amount sorry amount to buy the prizes, how much is there? Okay, 6 plus 4 is how much? 10, carry 1. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 12, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is, yeah, 320 rupees. Yes, this is your revision exercise. Second semester multiplication chapter revision exercise is completed, dear students. Thank you.